Like revolutionary inventions such as the stirrup, the shipping container, although structurally simple and lacking in technical complexity, has played a crucial role in improving transportation efficiency and promoting economic development through standardization. It has long been widely used in maritime and land transportation, and has also been widely utilized for military purposes, especially in overseas supply transportation. This has given rise to the need for specialized container handling equipment to handle tasks such as terminal and base transfer and loading and unloading. In 2001, the U.S. military began to equip a container handling machine called the Kalmar RT240, which was developed to meet the needs of the U.S. Army. It not only considers the basic container handling capabilities but also takes into account the requirements for field operations. The Kalmar RT240 is quite heavy, weighing nearly 54 tons, with a length of 14.55 meters, a width of 3.66 meters, and a height of 3 meters. It is operated by a single person and powered by a 400 horsepower Cummins QSM-11 diesel engine, with a maximum road speed of 37 km per hour. Its large wheels allow it to operate in special terrains such as beaches, with a water-fording depth of 1.5 meters. The vehicle typically uses front-wheel steering, but can also be switched to four-wheel steering in narrow environments, with the ability to move laterally and rotate in place, providing high flexibility. It is equipped with a retractable and lifting mechanical arm, capable of handling standard 20-foot and 40-foot containers, with a maximum moving weight of 24 tons. The mechanical arm can perform lifting, moving, stacking, and unstacking actions, and can stack up to 3 layers of containers. The Kalmar RT240 has proven to be a very practical logistical engineering vehicle, with good environmental adaptability, capable of operating normally in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. This is important for the U.S. military, which has numerous overseas bases, and the vehicle can be deployed by C-17 or C-5 transport aircraft. In addition to the U.S. Army, the U.S. Marine Corps has also purchased equipment, and some have been equipped by the Australian and British armies. In the U.S. military, soldiers must undergo 2 weeks of training and pass an exam to officially qualify to operate the Kalmar RT240. Currently, the Kalmar RT240 remains one of the main equipment of the U.S. military, with no immediate plans for replacement. However, attempts have been made to develop new versions based on the Kalmar RT240, including remote control, driver assist operations, and autonomous intelligent systems.